Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change currency on Krystal Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video since the process is quite easy. First of all, tap open the Krystal Wallet application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your wallet as well. Once you're signed into your wallet, from the main home page, tap on the settings icon appearing at the top right corner. Now, choose Selected Currency option under General. From the list of currencies displayed on the screen, choose the one you would like to change to, and you will then be able to change your default currency for Krystal Wallet. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss out another update from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.